Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing OnePlus 15 and OnePlus A6. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. They offer LTPO AMOLED display with HDR10+. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. OnePlus 15 comes with 3 rear cameras, and the OnePlus A6 comes with 2 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, studio speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.